Hello everybody and welcome to our next tutorial about Microsoft Excel. Today, like I promised, we want to create a chart. A chart is a representation of your data. It helps to analyze trends and patterns. First step to create a chart. Highlight the cells you want to include. In this case, we need also our label of columns and rows. A total is not included into this chart. Next step, insert menu. In the middle of this insert menu, you can read chart. We want to create a bar chart of our business data. So insert columns or bar chart. It should be a 2-column chart, also named clustered column. So just click it. So Excel created already the chart for us. I want to create this chart, not at this sheet here, sondern at chart 2. So the chart is selected, right mouse click, followed by clicking on cut. Then I go to chart 2. At chart 2, I select paste. We can size this chart by using the handle. Just click left mouse button, don't release, and drag it. First step we want to do with this chart, we want to erase here chart title, and we want to type here another header. Click chart title, position the cursor inside, and erase the text that is displayed here, followed by typing sales Peters stores. Then click outside. Next step we want to do, we want to write here a description for Hamburg, Berlin, and we want to write a description for the values displayed here on the left side. To do so, we click the plus sign at the upper right part of our chart, and there we select the second option named Axis Titles. Just click the checkbox. Here below is written Axis Title. We just click inside, erase the text that is displayed here, and we type here city. The same with the title here at the left side. Here we are going to write sales in euro. So next step should be we want to display this text in bold. So just highlight it, go to home menu, and click there the B below font. It is not a problem to change here also the font size. Just select one or type one in the box. The same steps with sales in euro. Home menu, select the B, go to font size and select the 16. And then one more time the same step with city. Home menu, go to font size, select the 16, and also click the B. Next step we want to do, like you can see the background of this chart is all white. We want to add here a little bit of background color. So the chart is selected. Go to Home menu. Here above our font is written Fill Color. Let us say we want to select here a light blue. So, looks quite pretty. Did our sales increase or decrease? Like you know, a chart is used to analyze trends or patterns. So let us check this trend. We click the plus sign. Here is written Trendline. Check that. We want to see the trend at first for Hamburg. Hamburg is already selected, so just click on OK. Here, I hope you can see that because it's also displayed at blue. The trend of our sales compared January to August is going downward. Let us check for another trend. Just click Trendline again. We want to see now the trend for Stuttgart. Just click it, followed by clicking on OK. The trend of Stuttgart or the sales increased between the months January and August. We want to exclude some of the data here. Click Chart Filter. What do you want to exclude? Let us say we want to exclude Hamburg of our chart. So click the checkbox next to Hamburg, followed by clicking on Apply. So Hamburg is excluded. In this case, for each month. Let us include it again, followed by clicking on Apply. Here below categories, we can exclude some of our month names. Let us say we want to exclude August. So just click the checkbox at the left of August, followed by clicking on Apply. And the August disappeared. So that is also a helpful step. For example, if you have to present to other people your business data. Let us add here August again, followed by clicking on Apply. So I want to show you one more thing. Let us look at January and let us look at Hamburg. It is the blue bar. What will happen when we change in our table on the other sheet? This 15,000, for example, to 20,000. Let us go to chart. Let us go to January for Hamburg and let us type here 20,000, followed by pressing Enter key. Let us go back to our chart and like you can see it, the sales for Hamburg for the month January are adjusted automatically. Means if you change a value in your table, then the value of your chart will also change. So that is how you can create a chart. See you next time at the next subject. Bye.